Welcome to this how-to video on creating a showing sheet in LINQ. The goal of this video is to train you how to create a showing sheet from an existing listing group by using the listing group's schedule view. The showing sheet tool in LINQ allows you to order showings by time for your clients. You can also add comments to the listings to be shown in advance of showing. Whether for organizing a showing for yourself or for one of your clients, the showing sheet feature is an excellent and powerful tool for creating professional and customized showing sheets. To begin, you first need to open the listing group you would like to create a showing sheet from. To do this, either click the My Work menu or under the My Work menu, click Listing Groups. This opens the Listing Groups page. Once on the Listing Groups page, click on the listing group you would like to open in the Listing Groups pane on the left-hand side of the screen. For this demonstration, we're going to use the Back Bay 3M listing group we created in the Creating a Listing Group how-to video. Now that we have the listing group open, we will begin creating a showing sheet by first adding a comment to one of the listings. Step 1. In the list view of the listing group, click on the pencil icon next to whichever listing you would like to add a comment to. For this demonstration, we'll add a comment to the listing for Unit 10A at the Belvedere. Clicking on the pencil icon hides the property information for this listing and instead displays a text box where you can enter your comments and a text box where you can enter your private notes. Step 2. Enter your comment. For this demonstration, we're going to add a comment saying, "You're going to love this one." Step 3. When you're done entering your comment, click the Save button to save your comment. This will cause the property information to display again, except now you will see your comment displayed beneath the property information. Now that we've added a comment, we will continue by scheduling an appointment. Step 1. First, we will need to switch to the Schedule view. To do this, on the Listing Groups toolbar, click the View button, and from the drop-down list, select Schedule. This will redisplay the listing group with your list of properties on the right and a schedule on the left. Step 2. To add an appointment to the schedule, simply drag and drop the listing from the list of listings on the right-hand side of the page to the proper time slot on the left-hand side of the page on the schedule. To change the date displayed on the schedule, you can click the arrows above the schedule to scroll forward a day or back a day. Also, you can click on the down arrow next to where it says Today above the schedule to view a calendar of dates. You can also change what time period the schedule displays by clicking the day, week, month, or timeline option above the schedule. For this demonstration, we will schedule the listing for Unit 10A at the Belvedere for 3 p.m. today by dragging and dropping the listing from the list of listings on the right-hand side of the page onto 3 p.m. on the schedule on the left. After you've added a property to the schedule, you can change the time of the appointment by dragging and dropping the appointment onto the desired time. You can also delete an appointment by clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner of the appointment or by right-clicking on an appointment and choosing Delete from the drop-down menu. We will next continue by editing the details of the appointment we have scheduled. Step 1. To edit the details of an appointment, either double-click on the appointment or right-click on the appointment and from the drop-down menu, select Edit. For this demonstration, we will edit the appointment we have scheduled for Unit 10A at the Belvedere from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. by right-clicking on the appointment and choosing Edit. Step 2. Editing an appointment causes the schedule to be hidden and instead allows you to make changes to the subject, start time, and end time of an appointment. For this demonstration, we will leave the subject as it is and change the start time from 3 p.m. to 3:15 p.m. Step 3. After you are done making your changes, click the Save button to save your changes and return to the schedule. It is important to note that the schedule will display all appointments rounded to the nearest half hour. However, when the schedule is printed, the actual appointment times will be displayed on the printed handout. When you're done creating your showing schedule, you can print the showing sheet by clicking on the Print button on the Listing Group toolbar and selecting the Showing Sheet option from the drop-down menu. This opens a dialog allowing you to choose how you would like to print the showing sheet. To print the showing sheet for a broker, check off the Include Listing Firm and Directions checkbox. Otherwise, to print the showing sheet for a client, leave the Include Listing Firm and Directions checkbox unchecked. For this demonstration, we will leave Include Listing Firm and Directions unchecked and click Print. That concludes this how-to video on creating a showing sheet.